Washington, and we have Andy Cohen on Skype. Give it up. Woo, woo, woo. Joining us now is another Bravo star. She's the winner of Top Chef All-Stars Los Angeles and fan favorite. That's awesome. Let's welcome Chef Melissa King. What's up?
Hi.
Well, meet Camilla. Hi. And I'm sure you know your Bravo buddy, Andy.
Hey, Melissa.
So, are you already eating? Andy?
Well, I mean,
Oh my gosh, you're that guy at the dinner. Okay, you're that guy at the dinner party. Fine. Well, what are we making, Melissa?
So I just did this class in a virtual demo. It's really simple. It's a chicken and cheese katsu, which really is just a breaded cutlet that's deep fried to golden perfection. And it's stuffed with cheese, so it's gonna be really gooey and delicious.
Body roll, Melissa, just deep fried.
Yeah.
There's a little body roll. So how do we get started?
So, you know, with TV magic and everything, we've already pounded this cutlet to about a 1/4 inch, maybe even a 1/2 inch. There's a little pocket incision in there already made, but put your gloves on.
Okay.
We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt on both sides. It's gonna get a little messy, so we need the gloves.
Okay. Well, she's used to wearing gloves, right?
Yeah, I was like, this is surgery. I've done this. I know this.
So sprinkle on both sides with salt. I like to kind of go high
You got one because I hurt my finger.
with the
but-
salt.
okay.
And then get some of that cheese and stuff it right inside that pocket.
Okay.
And we're using mozzarella, or you can use mozzarella, you can use Fontina. Today we're using Havarti cheese.
I love Havarti. I love cheese, girl.
Get it all in there.
Okay.
Okay.
So then what?
All right.
All right.
So next, we are going to do the 3 dredge here. So we have flour, egg wash, panko that's been mixed with a little bit of oil.
Okay.
So go ahead and do that on both
I'm
sides.
getting it.
Side.
Woo!
Yeah, the flour just kind of helps everything else stick.
Okay.
To congeal.
Exactly.
It's really, I love doing it. I
Try
love
to do it
making
with
chicken.
one hand so you don't get both hands covered in panko.
Yeah, I'm having to. I couldn't wear my glove. I hurt my finger. I couldn't get the glove on. So, okay, so now I have that done.
All right.
So how are you doing over there, Camilla?
I'm good. I'm good. Mine is a mess.
Okay, well that's fine.
I can't cook, so this is great.
Getting messy in the kitchen is fun. Someone will clean it up. So now what do we do?
So again, TV magic here.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and take these gloves off.
Okay.
Put this right under here. But everybody at home, you guys are gonna put your chicken into the air fryer. And you're gonna set the air fryer for 380 degrees.
Okay.
For 14 minutes. Give it a turn halfway through.
My sister loves the air fryer.
It's awesome, right?
That's all she cooks out of. She loves it.
Yeah, it's a nice little convection oven thing here. So give it a little reveal here. Put the lid down here.
Oh my God, that's so good.
Oh, how do
Now
y'all?
we have
Oh,
a
okay.
golden, perfectly golden, crispy cutlet here. that you can go
That
ahead and
smells
pull
so
out.
good.
Oh no, mine like fell
my
into
gosh.
the air dryer.
Oh my gosh,
I'm gonna
Andy's
put
already
mine right
eating.
on my plate here.
It's so good. It smells so good. Okay, put it on the plate.
You can dig in.
Okay. Oh wait,
go.
what?
We're
So wait,
trying it.
how do we dip it in this sauce or do you pour it on there?
Yeah, so we have a little katsu sauce here. It's made with Worcestershire, soy, ketchup, Dijon mustard, a little sugar, and a bit of lemon juice.
I think I've been saying Worcestershire sauce wrong my whole life.
Worcestershire?
Well, how do you say it? Worcestershire?
Worcestershire.
Yours
I
sounded
don't know
cooler.
the worst of pronunciations.
Oh,
but
I don't know. I'm
feel free
probably
to
wrong
cut
on
into
that.
that cutlet.
Okay.
Dip it right into that sauce.
Okay. Oh my God, I love my job.
You want that cheese to ooze out too.
Oh my God, I
That's
do.
the fun part of this. It's a really kid-friendly dish. Simple to do.
Wait. It kind of tastes like a little bit like, okay, I'm gonna get trashy here for a minute, but whatever. It tastes a little like A1 sauce.
Totally.
I love A1 sauce. I love A1. What do you think? What do you think of yours, Andy?
this is so good. I've already killed half of it. It's excellent.
Oh my God, so good.
Can't go wrong.
Melissa, can I ask you a question? Does the air fryer fry in a more healthy way, or is it like the same? Is it like a deep fryer?
It is done in a healthier way. You know, you're using less oil, and so it really is doing sort of this convection cook and getting it really nice and crispy.
Oh, good question.
Good
What are you,
question.
an interviewer?
Delicious.
This was amazing and needs to be brought to my office for lunch. Thank you so much, Melissa. This is amazing. Thank you so much, Melissa. Everybody, you can find the full recipe on our Instagram story. And be sure to catch Melissa on season 18 of Top Chef. It's in Portland this year and premieres on Bravo this Thursday night, April 1st. Yep, I'm still here, just waiting for you to subscribe. If you don't, I'll be trapped in this box forever.